360-degree views. Got to see the Statue of Liberty. Got to see the new Freedom Tower, which is awesome to see from the water. Beautiful weather. Love this sailboat. A few drinks, good company, good times.
Time on this sailing trip. You got to see Lower Manhattan, you got to see the Freedom Tower, and then they take you right by the Statue of Liberty. It's just fantastic. I would highly recommend it. We had a great time.
Today was awesome. Everybody should do it. Going down south on the Hudson River, seeing the Statue of Liberty, seeing the new World Trade Center, seeing Battery Park. You got to do it. Everybody's got to try this.